Hi everyone, my name's Shannon. Welcome back to the Florida Fishing Academy's virtual classroom. Today we are going to take a look in our backyard and see if we can see art in nature. Let's take a look. I want you to go outside and find a flower or a leaf that really speaks to you, something that you think is beautiful. We're going to collect these flowers or leaves and we're going to turn them into art. Now that you collected your either leaf or your flower, we are going to preserve them so that they can be long-term artwork. First, let's start with your flower. In order to make your flower last long-term, you can press your flower. You'll need a piece of parchment paper and a book. Place your flower in the parchment paper and fold it together. Then you'll stick your flower in the middle of a heavy book and you'll leave it like that for about 7 to 10 days. Once you come back, that flower will be nice and preserved for you to have a long-lasting piece of art. So you can see that I put my flower in the center of this book. This type of flower is called a blanket flower. This is a native Florida wildflower. I also grabbed a leaf. This leaf is from a mango tree. What I'm going to do with this leaf is I'm going to turn it over to the back side where you can see all of the veins. I'm going to place that under my sheet of paper and I'm going to take a colored pencil, whichever color you'd like. I'm going to do blue. And I'm going to hold this down on the paper as I color. There's my mango leaf. We'd love to see what art you create either from leaves or from flowers. Share it with us.